Beach. That's where we are, way down at the end.
Good morning, everyone, from Rutherford Beach, Louisiana. You all have an amazing
And Steve.
I'd like to say we're here at Coney Island, but you know we're not because we're in Texas.
Hey, but they did call this Coney Island South back in the 40s.
Yes, but this is Pleasure Pier, and this is the one place I wanted to come today, and it's closed over in Galveston.
Only open on the weekends.
But the highlight is we got free parking now.
Yay!
How does it get better than this?
Again, no answer. Swim up bar. On this one, Rebecca. Jojo and Steve behind the camera.